Hello all, and welcome to Wondershare Edraw. In this video, we'll learn about the double bubble map. The double bubble map is a tool for comparing and contrasting things such as individuals, events, places, and ideas. It has two adjacent central bubbles in which the key ideas are written. Bubbles are then added between the key ideas to capture the common ideas between them, while further bubbles are added to the outer extreme to capture ideas that are different. When to use double bubble maps. Teachers can use double bubble maps for teaching students in various ways. Some of these uses are as follows. In science lessons, you could use the map to show the similar and different characteristics of apples and bananas. Both are fruits, but one is rich in vitamin C and the other is rich in potassium. In history, for example, students can use these maps to compare and contrast dynasties and the kind of weapons used in war. Younger students could also use these to compare and contrast lightning and thunder. Thunder is a loud noise, whereas lightning is light or electricity. In English, these maps could be used to compare and contrast the meanings of words, like monarchy versus dictatorship. How to easily create a double bubble map. Navigate to File, click on New, select Education from the categories and Graphic Organizer from the subcategories. Now choose Compare and Contrast. Click on the plus icon to open a new drawing sheet. Drag and drop the required shapes onto the drawing pane. To duplicate the shapes, hold down the Control key and drag. Enter the key idea. Continue to build the diagram as shown. To connect between the bubbles, select Connector, found under the Home tab. Right-click and choose Select All Connectors to change the arrow end type. Right-click and choose Select All Text to adjust the font size. Select the shapes to add color. On the right side of the page, you'll find options to fill shapes' colors. Select Fit to Drawing under the Page Layout tab. Click on the From Beginning icon to preview the diagram in a single frame. This double bubble map example is used for comparing and contrasting graphic organizers and thinking maps. Now let's see a few more examples of double bubble maps. Here's a creature double bubble map. This is a study double bubble map and a US President double bubble map. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more EdrawMax videos. Please find the links in the description below to download EdrawMax or to try it online.